Hello, fellow entrepreneurs. We know you are working tirelessly to build your empire, but there's one thing we often forget: our health. In today's video, I'll be addressing all the hardworking entrepreneurs with sedentary lifestyle, especially those that work from home, and we've got some eye-opening insight from the World Health Organization. Let's dive into the 10 crucial health hacks to keep you in peak form while you chase your dreams. According to the World Health Organization, physical inactivity is a significant global health concern. It's the fourth leading risk factor for global mortality. This means that sitting for extended period without physical activity can have severe health consequences. For entrepreneurs who often spend long hours at their desk, this is a critical issue. The key takeaway here is that awareness of this fact is the first step towards addressing it. The World Health Organization suggests breaking up prolonged period of sitting with short active breaks. This advice is essential for entrepreneurs who spend most of their work hours at a desk. Simple activities like stretching, doing desk push-ups, or even quick chair squats can help keep the blood flowing, reduce muscle tension, and improves overall well-being. By incorporating this into your workday, you can mitigate the risk of a sedentary lifestyle. For entrepreneurs, you have to be mindful of what you eat during work hours. Healthy snacks like nuts and fruit provide sustained energy without the energy crashes associated with sugary or processed food. A balanced diet helps maintain stable energy levels, support concentration, and promote overall well-being. You have to maintain a mindful munching and a balanced snacking. Chronic stress can lead to serious health issues, according to the World Health Organization. Entrepreneurs often face high level of stress due to demand on their businesses. Effective stress management techniques such as deep breathing exercise, meditation, or a short walk can help maintain mental and physical well-being. These practices enable you to handle stress more effectively and reduce its negative impact on your health. To become a successful entrepreneur, you have to be a hydration hero. The WHO recommends staying adequately hydrated throughout the day. Entrepreneurs frequently focus on their work and forget to drink enough water. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, reduce concentration, and decrease productivity. Keeping a water bottle handy and sipping water consistently help maintain focus and ensure overall bodily function run optimally. The World Health Organization suggests that adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. But for some or most entrepreneurs, this will be difficult to attain. But don't bother, because I've created video on my 3-2-1 method of quality sleep, which is a method of sleeping smart. Go ahead and watch that video and take that idea of the 3-2-1 method and implement it into your life and see dramatic change in your health and your sleep quality. Sleep is crucial for entrepreneurs as it supports cognitive functions, creativity, and overall well-being. Prioritized sleep can improve productivity and decision making, ultimately contributing to business success. As an entrepreneur, you have to take your health checks up regularly. Prevention is better than cure. Regular health checks up, as recommended by World Health Organization, enable entrepreneurs to stay on top of their health status. Detecting health issues early can prevent them from becoming more severe and interfering with your business endeavors. It's an investment in your long-term success. The next hack is mindfulness entrepreneurship. Mental health is vital, especially for entrepreneurs dealing with high-pressure situations. World Health Organization promotes mindfulness to reduce anxiety and improve mental well-being. Mindfulness meditation is a practice that helps you stay present, manage stress, and make clearer decisions. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine can enhance both your business and personal life. The next hack is connect and thrive, which is social connections. According to the World Health Organization, social connections are essential for mental well-being. Entrepreneurs often isolate themselves while pursuing their goals. which can lead to loneliness and stress. Spending time with friends and family provides emotional support, reduce feelings of isolations, and boost overall happiness. These connections are crucial for maintaining a balanced and a healthy life. And the last hack is finding an accountability buddy. The World Health Organization recommends finding a fitness partner or accountability buddy. Entrepreneurs often struggle to maintain a consistent health goals or consistent exercise routine due to their busy schedules. Partnering with someone who shares the same goal with you or fitness goal can help you stay motivated and committed to your regular physical activity. It's a strategy to ensure you prioritize your health and meet your entrepreneurial pursuits. Incorporating these 10 hacks into your daily life can significantly impact your health and well-being as an entrepreneur. Remember, a healthy you is not only essential for your success in business, but also for your overall quality of life. There you have it, fellow entrepreneurs. 10 life-changing hacks backed by the World Health Organization to ensure you succeed not just in business but in life. Remember, a healthy you is a powerful you. Share this video with your fellow entrepreneurs and let's build a healthier, happier, and more successful community together. Until next time, keep winning and stay healthy. Bye.